Is your 1xBet app not working in 2025? Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. Don't worry, here's a quick guide to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Sometimes weak Wi-Fi or mobile data is the issue. Next, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Play Store or App Store and install any pending updates. If it's still not working, try clearing the app cache and data from your phone settings. This removes temporary glitches. Also, check if 1xBet is restricted in your region. If so, you may need to use a VPN to access the app smoothly. Restart your phone after these steps and log back into your account. If none of this works, visit the 1xBet website directly or contact 1xBet customer support for further help. That's how you can quickly fix most 1xBet app issues in 2025 and get back to betting without interruptions.